Moroccan water birds are some of the most interesting to watch. Unfortunately, at the first sign of danger, they are gone. Not all ducks, though, dive. There are three types of ducks: diving, dabbling, and upending. Diving ducks dive for food and to escape danger. Dabbling ducks skim the surface for food. And lastly, upending ducks look for food with only their head. Diving, dabbling, upending. For Great Crested Grebes, mating starts in winter. By January, providing mild conditions, nesting can start. After May, 1 to 9, but usually 4 eggs are laid. After 27 to 29 days of incubation, the stripy chicks hatch. The chicks are carried around on their mother's back for 71 to 79 days until fledging. I wanted to tell you this information because on a lake in Ifran, I saw a Great Crested Grebe mother with her chicks. It is still controversial, though, how many she had. The footage you're seeing now is of her. If you ever want to go to Morocco to watch birds, you have to know some of the most common. For me, the most common is the blue tit. Next up is the European serin. Then comes the spotted flycatcher. Like most places, Morocco has pigeons, and at least a couple species of starling. The most common finch is the chaffinch. Anywhere there are plains, there are crested larks. Some of the rarer ones are this missel thrush I saw, plus this little owl, and European roller. The water birds are simple: crested coot, and this ferruginous duck, and red-crested pochard. So that's it, Moroccan birds.